Hey, Len Erickson here with another Purveyor of Light quick tip. Today we've got a nice and easy one here for Lightroom. It's amazing on what you can do and how you can really improve your photos in Lightroom, and no other software is needed. I'm going to show you today 3 easy steps to improve and make any photo you've taken more interesting. So go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so here I have a nice picture of a cowgirl here from Texas, and the first thing I'm going to do is 3 easy steps, right? So I'm going to take the white balance. It's a little bit off, you can see here, and I'm going to just put it to auto, and that puts the white balance where it is. The skin tones are properly balanced now, and that's step 1. Step 2, I'm going to do an auto tone, and now we've got the picture done. Okay, for step 3, now to make your photos more interesting, we want to draw the user's eye to the area of the photo that is important. If you look at this photo right now, there's obviously the girl is the subject of the photo, but wouldn't it be nice if we could emphasize that and have the eye get drawn to that area right away? And we can do that using Lightroom's Radial filter. So we're going to go ahead and select that off the tool here. And I'm going to draw out an ellipse here. Okay. And you can see right by default it brings the exposure down. Okay. If your exposure is affecting the outside, you can just simply hit invert. Okay. And it'll change it. So if you want the effect, I want the effect outside of the area. So we're going to do. And now all I need to do is adjust this photo. Okay, the feather, I want it a little bit softer, so I'm going to move the feather up. And now I'm going to move my handles here, and I'm going to rotate because I want the emphasis to be on her. I'm going to drag and reposition and resize it to the area that I want to have the effect. Okay, and just mess with some more adjustments. I need to rotate a little more. Drag it into position. Maybe widen it just a little bit. And I can adjust the exposure around. If I feel it's too strong, I can always bring it up, or I can bring it back down to where I feel it's going to be more interesting. Okay. So there you go. That was step 3. 3 easy ways to make your photo more interesting. Now, if you look at this photograph, you can see because we have done a custom vignette, okay, we have made the subject more predominant in the scene. So if I go to the before, you can see how, yes, the subject is there, but we're not drawing the focus to the eye there. Again, the after, my eyes are drawn directly to the subject, and therefore it makes a more interesting photo. So that's it. So go grab some of your old photos out of your library. Find ones that could turn around and benefit from those 3 easy steps. Like I said, auto white balance, auto exposure tone, and then just simply use the radial filter to emphasize the highlight, the most important part of your photo. All right? Until next week, you guys take care.